All right, boys and girls. So for today's phonics lesson, we are going to Letterland. So come on, let's go.
Let's all go to Letterland. Let's all fly to Letterland. Let's all jump to Letterland and meet with all our friends. Let's all ride to Letterland. Let's all hop to Letterland. Let's all drive to Letterland and meet with all our friends. And meet with all our friends. See you there.
Alrighty, boys and girls. So that was our intro to Letterland. Now, some of you may have learned Letterland last year in kindergarten, but some of our friends are new to Moore County Schools, so I don't know if they've ever done Letterland before. So that's where we're going to start, and we're going to review all of those letter character cards from Letterland. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first letter card is Annie Apple. Annie Apple starts words like add, ant, and arrow with her sound. So she's Annie Apple. She's . Okay. All righty. Now what I'm going to read to you is a story about Annie Apple. Annie Apple is very important. She is a very important talking apple because she knows how to appear in words and make a special sound in them. It's the same sound you can hear at the start of her name, Annie Apple lives in an apple orchard in Letterland. She has lots of animal friends. Can you see an anteater, an alligator, and an antelope? She also has other amazing visitors. Sometimes an acrobat swings by or an astronaut drops in. The only visitors Annie doesn't like are the ants when they tickle her. Mr. A, the apron man, looks after all of the Letterland apples. He gathers the talking apples in his apron. Can you see Annie on an apple stand at the top of this page? So what are some words that Annie Apple would start? Think about that for a second. I can think of some words. So definitely apple, arrow, astronaut. What else can you think of? Great job. All right, so now we're going to move on. Our next letter character sound card is going to be Clever Cat. So Clever Cat starts words like cat, clock, and cup with her k sound. So now we're going to go ahead and read a story about Clever Cat. This is Clever Cat. Clever Cat loves to sit by the Letterland castle, having a cup of cocoa and doing her crossword puzzle. She is such a clever cat. She can fill in all the words before she has finished her cake. If you went to Letterland, you could probably see Clever Cat driving around in her car. If anyone has a problem, Clever Cat will come to help. She knows how to cook carrots and cauliflower and make custard and cakes. She knows how to count, how to clean her car, how to carry things carefully, and lots more. If anyone in Letterland asks, who can help us with this problem? The answer is usually Clever Cat. What words do you know that start with k, k, the letter C, like clever cat? I'm thinking of one right now. It's cupcake. That actually has the two, so cup and then cake because it's blended together. It's a compound word. So cupcake. That has clever cat. What about an animal? It says a sound like this, moo. That's right, a cow. So cow also starts with the letter clever cat. Good job. All right, so now we're going to move on. Our next letter is Dippy Duck. Dippy Duck, I'm so sorry. Dippy Duck starts words like dog, drink, and drum with her D sound. D. Okay. So now I'm going to read you a story about Dippy Duck. There's Dippy Duck. Oh, I love that page. Dippy Duck lives by the Letterland duck pond. Can you see her specially shaped duck door? Check out that specially shaped duck door. Everyone loves the duck pond. Dogs, deer, and donkeys come to drink and dip their feet in the water. They also come to the duck pond to watch Dippy Duck diving down deep. Whoa, that was a lot of Dippy Duck words. When Dippy isn't splashing and diving in her duck pond, she loves to draw. Can you see anything in the distance you think she might like to draw? Something she might like to draw. Do you think the dinosaur could be a real dinosaur? Or maybe that's something she likes to draw. Dippy Duck doesn't quack like other ducks. She's a Letterland duck, so she makes a short little D sound instead. What are some words you can think of that start with Dippy Duck? What are you thinking? Some words that start with Dippy Duck. Like this. I can think of one. I'm thinking of doll or doctor. Those both start with Dippy Duck. Great job. Alrighty. So we're going to go to our next letter sound character from Letterland. And that is Sammy Snake. Sammy Snake starts words like sad, sand, and sun with his hissing s sound. Alrighty, so now we're going to read a story about Sammy Snake. Oh, check out that picture. Wow. Sammy Snake is having a lovely time by the Letterland swimming pool. Sammy loves sunbathing, but he is always careful to put on suncream, when he's in the sun. The sun is so bright today, he may even have to put on his sun hat and sunglasses so he doesn't have to squint. Sammy loves swimming too. He loves to splash in the sea or slide into the swimming pool. Afterwards, he has a sandwich and settles down to do some more sunbathing. All the splashing and sliding around has made Sammy quite sleepy. Soon he will be snoozing in the sun. Who can you see splashing in the pool? I see a walrus. I see Dippy Duck. Oh my goodness. Who's that on the sand by the sea? So, can you think of some words that start with Sammy Snake? I can think of some. I got Sammy Snake word Saturday and Sunday. What words can you think of? Alrighty, boys and girls, that's all for our phonics lesson today. Great job, and I'll see you later. Bye.